Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2s squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s because we don't have number 4 from number 2 with number 2 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about 2s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.